Dashera, Diwali, Janmashtami and Navratri. We are going to Ajmer to visit Khwaja Muhyiddin Chishti Dargah. We are Indians and follow Islam. Our holy book is the Quran and we go to worship in mosque. Our main festival are Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. We are going to Katra to visit Mata Vaishno Devi temple.
We are Indians and follow Sikhism.
Our holy book is the Guru Granth Sahib. We worship in Gurudwara.
The main festival of Sikhs are Baisakhi, Lohri, Gobind Singh Ji birthday, Guru Nanak Ji birthday.
Community feast was organized on the special days in the Gurudwara.
We are going to Goa to visit churches and beaches.
Sat Shri Akal. We are Indians and we follow Christianity. Our holy book is the Bible. We go to worship in a church. Our main festivals are the Easter, Good Friday and Christmas. We are going to Amritsar to visit the Golden Temple. So friends, as we know, India is a secular country and people follow different religions, but the teachings are the same: to live peacefully in harmony and most important, unitedly. This makes our country unique. That is different from the other countries of the world.
As united we stand and divided we fall.
Now quiz by Anya.